What's up guys, welcome to Indian FIA. In this video, I am going to make an instant paneer recipe which will be made using 5 ingredients and 5 spices. I will start with making a masala which will take less than 10 minutes and I will show you a secret ingredient which will take your recipe to a whole new level. So check out this video till the end and try this on those busy working days when you don't have time. I will start with 2 onions. I will roughly chop these onions into smaller pieces. Next, I will take half colored pepper. You can take any color here. Chop this pepper into smaller rough pieces. Next, I am using 3 tomatoes and let's chop our tomatoes as well. I will also use 2 green chilies, but these are optional and just for the spiciness. Next, I am using the paneer. This paneer is high in protein and it's a good replacement for animal meat, so it's consumed somewhat on regular basis by Indian vegetarian population. I will cut this paneer as well into smaller square pieces. First goes the cooking oil. Here goes 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let's add some spices here. First goes 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next goes 3/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Try to use a pinch more of red chili powder for this recipe. We have to saute these onions for hardly 5 minutes. Let's add the remaining ingredients here. Here goes 1.5 teaspoon of table salt. Let's add some spices here. First goes 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Next I am adding half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Now I will add the secret ingredient. I am adding 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. This tomato ketchup will add a tanginess to our recipe. Let's mix all of this well. It's time to add our paneer now. Cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. Our recipe is almost ready. Let's add the final spice here. I will add half a teaspoon of garam masala. As you can see, this recipe was extremely easy and you can prepare it in less than 15 minutes. I have used just 5 ingredients and 5 spices for this recipe. Let's garnish this with fresh cilantro. You can actually enjoy this recipe with fresh Indian roti. I have made multiple other Indian recipes which you can check out on my channel. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.